It is said that God made man and woman, and when they marry each other, they will no longer be two but one. And that oneness has been listed by God in the beginning to be forever. John and Annie, you are here today to seal your love with an eternal bond before the church. John, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife? Yes, my children. Annie, do you take John here present as your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
My love, I still remember if it was yesterday. During the spring of 2014, I went fishing with my friend in Denmark, as all years before. Only this year there was a different. We would take a break in our fishing holiday and would go to Sweden for a weekend. That weekend, I had my biggest catch ever.
My love, as we stand here on our wedding day, my heart is overflowing with love for you. Since the moment you came into my life, you have been a source of love and joy. You are kind, thoughtful, and you have the sweetest heart. Your sense of humor make me fall in love with you every day. I love that I am sometimes the only one laughing at your jokes. It shows how connected we are. I am so proud of the man you are, and I truly believe you make me a better person.
You're the one I've waited all my life for. You're the one I'd lose it all in.
Right out, hi my love, how are you? I miss you already? Yes, this is it. I can't wait to see you. I love you so much. This is my simple gift for you. I hope you like it. Dikke kus, Ronnie. Yay, it's working!
No, I'll never stop chasing your heart. My love is yours to hold, and I'll be here till I find a breath. My love is all for you.
When you say love is forever, it is because God has given you His divine love through the sacrament of marriage.
My love, at this moment, it's only a few hours before our wedding. I will let you know that I'm very happy that I met you 4 years ago. I will stay with you for the rest of my life. You are the only one I will spend the rest of my life with. I love you after this day. You are my honey and burger.
Yeah.
I'll never stop chasing your heart. My love is yours to hold, and I'll be here till I find a breath.
way you love me is unlike anything I have ever known. With you, I feel safe, loved, accepted, and appreciated. You truly see me for who I am, and you love me at my best and my worst. Being in your arms is my favorite place on earth. Our love has always been so simple, which is I love the most about it.
From the first moment I met you, my life changed completely. Our love grew every year and we decided to stay together. In 2017 I met your family. At that moment I know for sure that I want to be part of this wonderful family. I love them just the same as you love my family.
Today, I choose you and I will choose you tomorrow. And I will continue to choose you for the rest of our lives. You are my one in a lifetime love, and I promise to forever be yours until death do us part. I love you unconditionally, my love, John.